I'm Josh with CryoHeat, and this is our Harley Davidson replacement transmission. Come check this out. We have the billet aluminum CryoHeat processed trap door that we call the Vault. This is the strongest door out there to date right now, for sure. Then we have titanium nitrated solid chromoly shafts. We have a modified CryoHeat process, stronger material for the shift drum, and it also has a gold coating on it. Back cut gears, micro polished CryoHeat processed. This is a badass transmission. It runs approximately 2 to 2.2 more horsepower to the ground through this transmission than the stock one, and 5 to 7 more horsepower compared to our competitors. So if you need this transmission, call CryoHeat.